Here we have a Volkswagen ID4 Life, 148 PS, 52 kilowatt hours, pure performance. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, a dynamic road sign display, automatic LED headlights and an electronic parking brake with autohold. It also comes with 18-inch Fallon alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with a charging cable. The interior includes heated front seats, wireless app connect and 2-zone climate control. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.